Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie crust, easy method. Gather cold butter, flour, salt, sugar, and ice water, and chill your mixing bowl. Cut butter into cubes and keep everything cold to create flaky layers. Use a light touch when incorporating water and stop when dough just holds together. Chill the dough before rolling to make it easier to handle and to improve the final texture. Start by whisking dry ingredients in a chilled bowl to blend salt and sugar. Add cubed butter and use a pastry cutter or fingers to create pea to cornmeal-sized pieces. Sprinkle ice water gradually and test by squeezing a pinch until it barely sticks. Form 2 flat discs without overworking, wrap in plastic, and chill at least 30 minutes to relax gluten and maintain buttery layers for a crisp bake. Lightly flour your surface and roll from center outward to keep thickness even. Transfer the rolled dough to your pie dish by folding into quarters or rolling onto the pin. Trim excess dough, leaving a 1/2 inch overhang, then fold and crimp for a secure edge. Chill the assembled crust before filling to reduce slumping, and if blind baking, use weights to keep the shape and prevent bubbles during pre-bake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.